front end work completed back in March of 2021.
My Jeep. Yeah, what I'm working on here, I've done some cleanup. I'm preparing to get my CV axle back in here. Took some measurements before I pull the old tie rods out and two sleeves here, adjustment sleeves. That's one of the things I've got to get my information, and I'm going to measure those and make sure I screw them, install them back to the measurements that I've taken earlier. So they'll be pretty close. We'll get it all back together because this thing will be going in for an alignment as soon as I'm ready to, put it back on the road as far as this front end suspension. Before I do any serious driving, it will definitely have a front end alignment. But anyway, that's where I'm at right now. I got this pretty tight. I still don't have confidence in it. I just really don't, so I'll keep an eye on it. It said to check all your torque specs after 500 miles. I'll probably do half that. I just don't have any confidence in that. Anyway, I'll give you an update a little bit later, my Jeep out. And my Jeep update. I do have the axle in on this side, on the right front side. This is just temporary, this tie rod to help me hold that knuckle straight while I put the axle in. Anyway, I'm going to take a break, and make any other progress, I'll update you. My Jeep out. I'm going to go review some of the YouTube videos, make sure I'm getting this right. Anyway, I'm starting to get there. Okay, I'm attempt to install this rough country shock. I have the bottom secured already. We're going to try this. Now I got to get it tightened down. I just wanted to show that because everybody else in their videos were showing that. Alright, I'm going to shut it off for now. Update later. Out. Okay, I have my first rough country shock and lift kit installed, right front side, passenger side. I haven't torqued down the specs yet. That'll be the last thing I do. I've still got other things I gotta get done. But I don't know if you can see this, but right there, I've got it pretty tight. The rubber's not quite bulging out yet, so I'll see when I've got to look up the specs on torque that particular nut there. So anyway, it's about 90% finished except for torque. Okay, so I finished getting the spring and spacer in. I got the knuckle on. I got my right front CV axle in. And let's see, I got my right front shock in also. And if I do anything else, and I'm probably going to start working on getting my hub, getting this hub installed right here, this new hub and bearing. Anyway, if I make any progress on that, I'll update my Jeep out. There it is, starting to look like something. I feel like I'm making a little progress now. My Jeep, I got my hub in place. It's not installed. I'm just checking it out for now, see how it fits. And I'm gonna break off here for a while and review some information on remounting, reinstalling this hub. And before I install it, I'm gonna clean it with brake cleaner and wipe it down. It's got dust all over it. And anyway, to make a little more progress, I'll update my Jeep out. I'm going to speed this next clip up. I didn't realize I'd left the camera on. It's 48 minutes, but I'm getting ready to get after it. And please like, share, and subscribe. And this is my Jeep. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. My Jeep out. And to those that serve, we salute.